so this is just going to be a simple grapevine wreath. I picked up these cute LED leaf lights at Dollar Tree for $1, and then they also had them at Dollar General. I bought some for my lantern I did. And then I bought 3 of these. I did 2 of the cream pumpkin mix. These are at Walmart. These were $5 a piece. And then I bought the cream dahlia mix, just one of them for $5. But these are gorgeous. I was so surprised to see the floral that they're getting in right now is just beautiful. So anyway, what you're going to need with this is just some zip ties. We're just going to zip tie this around and see how this looks. And then you're going to need some wire cutters. So I'm going to get all this cut and then we'll be right back. Okay, so this is a 18-inch Hampton Home grapevine wreath, and got this from Walmart. Now this is nice because this has the wires all the way around it. So what we can start doing is just slip your sprigs in between or underneath the wires and push it in. And just start doing our grapevine like this. Oops, not that, broke that. And then you can design it how you want. Want a few gourds up there. It's looking nice. And then, like I said, I got some of this cream to throw in. I might cut this a little bit shorter. And just push it through and in. Now this, you know, you can of course zip tie everything in here. That's what I was planning to do, but I might keep this for myself. And then this way I can take this apart and then reuse it for different seasons. Just pushing it in. These were some really pretty. I just love all the stuff that they had in this bunch. They've got the feathers and the berries. Probably cut this a little shorter. Oh, did my pumpkin come off? It did, so I'm going to have to glue that. I'll have to. And just cutting stuff as you go. Like this. I love fall. It's my favorite time of year. I love the colors. The neutral. I think I might grab or the neutrals I said, but like the earth tones. I love that. It's just such a pretty time of year. Of course, this is on wire, so you can, you know, shape it too. So it might stick out here or there a little bit more. Trying to think how much I want to do on this. On my way on that one. like I said, if you know your pumpkins come off or something, we could just hit it with glue when we're all said and done and stick them back on the stems. And two, you can also zip tie, like if there's a loose spot, like this doesn't feel too tight. You just take a zip tie. This will probably be easier said than done. And zip tie it, so it's a little tighter. I think somebody's washing laundry upstairs. You can hear that go off right now. Let's see. And you know, you want your things, of course, to follow the grapevine, so it's not sticking out everywhere or in the back. I'll have to clean it up a bit. I just love these creams, so pretty. So this is just, you know, play as you go. If you want it something a little bit more somewhere, or if you want it fuller, and then you can just, you know, more or less whatever you want. What I'm going to do now is start coming this way. Let me find my other gourd. So what I'll do is start down around here, I think. Push that in. Just decorate as we go. We're just going to keep going around like this, and then we're going to so this is obviously going in the opposite direction. Like I said, you can, these are all on wire, so you can bend it to shape it, and if you want something sticking out more, then feel free to do that. This one I feel like I'm going to have to zip tie on. So if you're new to joining me, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting back in to do my YouTube videos here. And also I have a Facebook group. It's called Wreath Creators or More. It's on, of course, Facebook. So go ahead and join that. We have so many talented people in that group. It just blows my mind every day when I see everyone post and just what they come up with and their beautiful designs. It's just so heartening to see such a group that just was made a couple years ago, 2 years I think now, and it's just grown so big, and we just have some awesome people in the group. So our members are truly gifted, talented people. You know, so even if you like refurbishing furniture, or it's just not about wreaths, so if you get on there and you do something else, quilting, sewing, you know, drawing, art, paintings, we would love to see what you have. I would love for you to share it. I like to always push my petals up, just to give it a fuller look when I'm dealing with these. So I'll push the leaves up around the flowers typically. So I'm just going to continue pushing these in on where I want them, and we'll be back, but I think it's looking really pretty. I'm excited to see it done. Okay, so now we're going to add the lights, which are the 10 lights, the LED leaf lights. Got from Dollar Tree and Dollar General, both carry these. And first is you want to put your batteries in, which this has a little screw in it. So you have to unscrew this first, because the first time I used these, I was like wrestling to open this, and then I realized there's a tiny screw in there. So, you know, you're going to have to unscrew and screw that back on. But, you know, you want to check and make sure your lights all work before you attach. And we're going to try this again, because I just did this with one and literally cut my wire. So I gotta, it's morning, I'm just getting through my first cup of coffee, so hopefully that's not a, you know, doesn't set a precedent for my day today. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is just zip tie right to the floral all the way around throughout the wreath. So let's see. Let me turn off this light so I can see. Yeah, that should be cute and pretty. Just added some added lights in there. Does that look about even? Just kind of set it in, see where I want it. Keeps pulling. So yeah, so all I'm going to do is just zip tie right in to the wreath, and then just attach the bow. And the bow, I just did like the browns and creams and kind of a natural, the window pane, and then I added a pumpkin to the middle that I'm going to attach right here. Okay, so I have all the lights attached. Now this is how I attach the battery pack in the back. I'm going to try to go flush with the back of the wreath and hide it behind the florals. So I just have my small zip ties right now, so I'm just going to double them up. Just pull it down tight. And just make a little like carry case for it, and that way when people, they can turn it on and off right here. And then right there, oh, I think I had them. So the lights are on. It's just very easy to turn it off and on. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the bow. Let me just... I mean, this is beautiful. I don't even think you really need the bow, but you could add the bow if you wanted. Trying to get my wires here. I think about right here should be good. I'm going to make sure all my stuff's out, and then I'll refluff it once it's on. I'm just twisting the wire right now so I can see. Oh, my little accents got caught in there. And yeah, I'm going to have to, of course, pull it tighter and twist it. And like I said, this is just a little bow I made with some scrap ribbon. The window pane, the cream burlap, this brown burlap type of ribbon, and then I had some brown with the copper leaves on there. I thought would be pretty, so I just used the Pro Bow. Love it. So I'm gonna get this hung up and take a picture of it when it's all said and done.